Hey, it's Berta J. You're back in my kitchen with me today. I saw something online about bananas and I wanted to share it with you. I thought, how long do bananas really last? They don't last me that long. But someone said, if you will put plastic, I used cling wrap, little piece about this size, on this one, and then I cut a piece of this is just a piece of plastic from my grocery bag, and I wrapped it around the end. And I did this seven days ago. And you can't tell, so I'm going to tell you, it's firm, even though it's brown. It gives a little here, but it actually has lasted quite a while. Now, when bananas get to this point, that's when I cut them, I peel them, cut them, and put them in the freezer so that I can use them for smoothies and various other things, the nice cream, things like that. But this is what I did. But this is the one that didn't have anything on it. And you can see that it got mold at the bottom. And it's really squishy. It's really soft here. And these are harder and more firm, even though it has a lot of brown on it. But this is what they look like. This is the difference between, turn this one over too. Oh my goodness, I didn't see that. 7 days, no plastic at the top. And what happens is the ethylene gas from bananas, which ripens them, it's the same with how you see apples and they start to turn brown, same thing. And they get a chance to escape here, so it doesn't keep its shape and its firmness. But if you put this little teeny bit of plastic at the end, you'll be able to keep your bananas for a longer time. So all I'm going to do now, but these over here, I just wanted to take off this and freeze it. I usually cut them in half and then in half again. So whenever I go into my plastic bag, I know that 4 pieces are going to give me a whole banana. These are really ripe. It's been hot here, so they've gotten really, really ripe. So I was going to try doing like I've done with all the other fruits that I've done, and I'm just going to put them on a tray that's parchment paper lined, and I'm going to put them in the freezer and freeze them. You see, these still have their shape. I want to see what this one looks like, which was our control banana. I'm kind of scared of it, actually. I don't know if it's going to squeeze out my hand or what. It's lost all its shape and firmness, and I'm not going to do this part down here. I'll just squeeze it out. That's what that one looks like. I think I could still use this as a smoothie, in a smoothie or in ice cream. Seems to me, my conclusion is that you can keep a banana in hot weather for about, this was 7 days, so let's go back to 5 or 6 days. If you put a little piece of plastic, either Glad wrap or a plastic see-through wrap, or a piece of a grocery bag or some kind of plastic at the end to trap that ethylene gas so that it doesn't ripen so fast. Okay? So it was just a little tip, little something I learned, and I want to pass it on to you. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, because that means that every time we make a new video, you will get the notification. And once that happens, then you can leave me a comment or tell me what you think, or tell me what you do. Maybe you found something that lets a banana not ripen so quickly. Okay? So until next time, I'll say to you, bye for now.